Okay, all right, let's start. Okay, now these questions looks like they have two entity. Now entity means item lah. Okay, two type of different I should say variables. Okay, for example, in this question, he say ruler and pencil. So ruler and pencil, we call them entity, and they have two entity in this question here. Okay, Hao Yang, can you help me read, please? Read aloud. No sound. Hao Yang, help me to read this question.
2 rulers and 2 pencils cost $13.
Good. Followed by
7 rulers and 6 pencils cost $5.
Okay, so you have different prices. Very good. Continue.
Find the cost of 1 ruler.
So he want one ruler only. Okay, for this type of question, I would like to use symbol. You know what a symbol? Symbol means to represent something. All right. For this one is arrow for ruler. Pencil, I would say use P. Okay, why am I doing that? It's just to identify the different type of entities they gave you. So you see, when I say 2 rulers, I can do a very long-winded way. Okay, I show you what I can do. So the next question, we can do a shortcut. For example, with 2 ruler, then we use R as a symbol for 2 rulers. And then after that, I have, okay, maybe I use black. Blue to do, okay? Blue. Ruler, I have 2 ruler. I have 2 pencil. Okay, and this gives me $13. Okay, so I have R and PP give me 13. Now I have 7 ruler. Wow, you have to draw 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that gives me 65. So I have the information here already. Now I want to take a look at something here. What I can do is to form them into pair. How can I do that? Take a look. How is this done? Okay, can I say this is considered one pair? If I use black, then it's more differentiate. Can I say this is one pair? Can I say this is 2 pair? Okay, so if I rearrange them, can I say this is P, RP? I just rearrange them. Then that gave me $13. So can I say this is one set, this is one set, which give me $13. Then I can find one set enough lah. So I use $13 to divide by 2. So that will be one set for R and one P.
6.5.
Sorry again.
$6.50.
Very good, $6. Wow, you're very fast. Don't even need to do long division. Wow, that's marvelous. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry. Sorry, excuse me. So then after that, I know that this is one pair. So you see, I'm going to do something magic. Can I pair them in one pair? I have another pair. I have 3 pair. I have another 1 pair. I have another pair. So in total, how many pairs can I form from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Oh, so can I rewrite this is yellow? So I regroup. Okay, this one I a bit long-winded, okay, but never mind. Just want to bring things across. Yeah, so this is one of RP. Should be RP instead, right? Okay. RP. RP. I put all RP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. RP. Do you know how I do this or not? I just rearrange into RP. But there is one R in the front is a single one out. So what happened here? I can know that, I can have. Yeah. So what is very good? Okay. So what is the first thing I need to do? I need to find this. multiply by what?
Oh,
6 pair.
I think we can also pair them. So we can do like 13 times 3.
Can
Then
also.
it will be $39.
Yes, okay, all right. We shall do that later. Now, since I'm already here, right? So I can do this, $6.50 multiplied by 6. Quickly is 39. That's what you say, lor. 13 you can times 3,
Because
Mm. So since you have this as 39, right? 39. So what should I do? Wow. So since
Yes.
yes, 65 minus 39. Very good.
Because
Correct not?
I didn't know.
Okay, never mind. So I explain, okay. So let's take a look at okay, how young you listen to what I'm going to tell you. Is this $39 for this 6 pair here? Do you get my 39 here?
Yes.
And there are for 6 pair, right? And how to
Yeah.
find this odd one out? This odd one out is actually 65 and minus my 6 pair, which is 39. Oh, so you get the single out. 65 minus 39, and then I get 26.
You already found the answer.
So I found the
26?
answer.
How's
26.
it possible?
Why? Why not
Because
possible?
$2 and 2 pencil,
What?
$2 and 2 pencil equal to only $13 square.
Why $14?
Yeah.
You divide by 4 again.
One ruler.
This is the
Yeah,
offer.
must divide by what? I must divide by what? Yeah, that is not possible. Very good. Then how?
Then there's a mistake in the question.
So what is wrong? Tell me. Very good. I have 39, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the 7 rulers and 6 was
Uh-huh.
wrong,
Okay.
or the 2 rulers and 2
Yes.
pencil cross down will be wrong.
Yes,
Only
because I
this
have.
can be wrong.
Yes, very good. You detect that very fast. Good job. How young are you? Oh, suddenly you talk, then suddenly disappear. Yeah. Okay. So I leave this first, shall I?
Yes.
Very observant. Okay, very
There's
observant.
no red or peace when you minus it.
Okay.
Is our question going to be like this?
All right. So what should I do here? I put it nil lah. Not possible. Can we do that?
Okay.
Okay. Next one. Let's take a look at number 2. Now you spot to see anything or not. The total capacity. Whose turn to read? Lakshan. Lakshan, can you help me with this?
The total capacity of a bowl and a jug is 4 liters. The total capacity of 2 such bowls, 5 such jugs is 14 liters.
Yes.
The
Okay.
capacity of each jug. Express your answer in liters.
Okay. So now I have total capacity of the bowl and the jar is 4 liter. The total capacity of 2 bowls, 5 jars is 14 liter. Find the capacity of each jar. Okay, just now we use the symbols to do it. So now I want to use the same symbol, right? But now I'm not going to draw so many bowl. I have 1 bowl, 1 jar, and this will give me 4 liter. So I just do this. 4 liter. And the total capacity of 2 bowls. Okay, so I have 2 bowls and I have 5 jars. And that gives me 14. Oh, so what can I do now? What is the capacity of each jar? Now he wanted each jar. So you see, what should I do? Who can suggest? Come. Rakshan first. Okay, Rakshan's hands up. Good. Rakshan, what can I do?
Just pair it up. So you pair it up, then you have 2 sets of the 4 liter one, the one bowl and one jar.
Mm.
Then the other 3 jars
Ah,
just and store time.
okay. Slowly. Okay, just now you say you double up, is it? Very good. You double up is 2B, 2J. And what does it give you?
Then you minus out this one.
Yeah, you have 8 liters. Good
And
job.
then
So you want to minus because
Then
now
liter.
you have 2 jug already, right? I mean, you have 2 bowl and 2 bowl. You can remove the 2 bowl. Now you must find the jug. Okay, 5 jug minus 2 jug, and that gives you the leftover for 3 jug. So you have 14 liter. Would you find the big difference first? Okay, so 14. What is 14 minus 8? Give you 6 liter. So I can say this is called a big difference, right? Am I right or not? After I pair up, I say that this is my big difference here. So I'm going to put this here, big difference. And where is, let me go on. So this is my big difference, and this is my small difference. How do I get my small difference here? Then, so how to find out? You have a big difference divided by the small difference, which you will get it to 1 jar. So to find 1 jar, you use 6 liters to divide by 3.
6 liters divided by 3.
Right? Divide by 3 first, right?
2 liters.
Yeah, so 1 jar itself is 2 liters. All right? Okay? So 1 jar is equals to 2 liter.
The ask us expressed in literature is 2 liters.
Good. Okay, Hao Yang, are you following me? Okay, so what is the whole concept for this thing here? The whole concept is big difference
Big difference
and
and small difference.
small
Difference.
difference. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's take a look at the next sum. Question 3. Gary bought the same number of notebooks. This one my turn to read. Okay. Because both of you have read. Take your turn. Ready? Let me do it. Okay. Gary bought the same number. Oh, let me do this. Same number means, yellow. How many you have for notebook? It will be the same for the file, right? So he give you this thing called what? $16 is for 1 file and 4 notebook, right? So the total cost of 1 notebook, 4 files, it will be $19. But he spent a total of 35. So how many notebooks did Gary buy? Okay. Okay, let's take a look. So I have to write down 4 NB. Okay, I've used NB as a symbol. Okay, so we also talk about symbol, right? 4 NB, and I have 1 F, and this will give me $16.
Good.
All right, the cost of 1 NB, 4 files. Are you? You want to annotate, you annotate slowly, not scribble, then too fast, you cannot control your mouse, is it?
No, I don't. Mouse isn't working. I'm using the computer thing.
Okay. Let me finish up the $19 first.
That's
Now,
so weird.
okay, whose turn? Hao Yang, your turn, right? Hao Yang, come and take a look at this. 4 plus 1, 1 plus 4. Do you notice what is the similarity you see in the question here? 1 plus 1, that means you have 4 NB, 1 file, 1 NB, 4 file. What do you notice about it? What do you call that?
Notice about the similarity?
Oh, okay, I should ask the other way around. All right. Perhaps you can tell me what is the very first thing you want to do? What you can do? You want hints? You want hint or not? I give you some hints, okay? Clues, Okay, these clues work this way. Take note of this thing.